I just want to recap the day with some takeaways. And, it's important, I think, as Luke highlighted, to remember these cell and gene therapies offer great promise for patients in their innovation, yet they present some unique challenges for you as payers. So there are some new financial models for reimbursement that have been developed to address these challenges. The stop-loss market is adapting to the introduction of these cell and gene therapies, and that's an area that you should stay on top of in terms of how it affects you. New commercial solutions are rolling out that I'm sure you'll hear more about in the coming months and years as more gene therapies become approved. But there are actions you can take now, and there's actions you can start considering in your strategies for the future to ensure that there's sustainable access to these treatments. And that sustainable access is sustainable for you and also for the patients. So in the next slide, just a reminder that we have a lot of resources available through the MIT Paying for Cures website. You have the website address there. We will endeavor to get slides available to all of you as quickly as possible, as well as we're working on whether we can, put sections of these presentations available, and they'll probably be in this location as well. So stay tuned, and we'll let you know when and those are available. So then I just want to give a big thank you. These things don't happen without the work of a lot of people, both in the planning and the execution, and also with the, today's presenters and panelists, which you have all seen. But it also doesn't happen without you, and I really want to give a heartfelt thanks to all of you for attending. Thank you for your questions, and we welcome your feedback as well. So to that point, what we'd like you to do is use the Q&A feature. Just one last time, we're not going to burden you with a survey after the meeting because we know that those don't usually get a lot of participation, but we'd like you in the Q&A feature, if you would, just jot down what can focus do in the future to educate on this topic. What other topics would you like to see addressed, either as a webinar or a workshop? And if you don't want to put that in the Q&A now, or some idea comes to you later, please feel free to reach out to me at jfbarlow@mit.edu. So please take a minute, if you would, to put some ideas into the Q&A so we have feedback for future sessions. So I hope you've all have found this valuable. I have to say, every time I hear these presentations, I learn something new. So I hope you all have learned something new today and something that will help you in your planning for 2022 and beyond. So that's it. We'll let you go a few minutes early and appreciate your attendance.